Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. Today, we're comparing two luxury SUVs, the 2024 Volvo XC60 and the 2024 Audi Q5. Both of these vehicles are known for their robust safety features, but how do they really stack up when put through rigorous crash testing? Let's break it down. Starting with the 2024 Volvo XC60, this SUV showcased impressive results across all tests. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remained stable. The dummies showed good protection for all critical body areas, especially the knees and femurs for both the driver and the passenger. Volvo's engineering ensured that occupants of different sizes and seating positions are equally well protected. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection was good across the board, except for the chest of the rear passenger, which was rated as marginal. This was the only weak point for the XC60. However, in the side barrier and more severe side pole impact tests, the XC60 earned maximum points with good protection for all critical body regions. In rear-end collisions, the whiplash protection for front seats was rated good, and even in the rear seats, a geometric assessment confirmed strong protection. Volvo's autonomous emergency braking system also scored maximum points in city driving scenarios, avoiding collisions at all test speeds. A truly remarkable result for a premium SUV. Now let's take a look at the 2024 Audi Q5. In the frontal impact test, the Q5's passenger compartment also remained stable. Like the XC60, the dummies indicated good protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Audi also demonstrated that occupants of different sizes and seating positions would be well protected. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the Q5 had good protection for all body regions, with just a slight downgrade to adequate for the chest of both dummies and the neck of the rear passenger. Audi fell slightly behind Volvo here. In side impact tests, the Q5 provided excellent protection, similar to the XC60. Its whiplash protection was rated good for both the front and rear seats, and just like Volvo, Audi's pre-sense city autonomous braking system performed excellently in low-speed city driving scenarios, avoiding most collisions. So, what's the final verdict? Both the Volvo XC60 and the Audi Q5 are standout performers when it comes to safety, earning top marks in many categories. However, the XC60 edges out slightly in terms of side impact protection, particularly in the more severe side pole test, where it earned maximum points. Audi's Q5, on the other hand, performed slightly better in neck protection during the full-width barrier test. But overall, both vehicles are extremely safe choices in the luxury SUV segment. Which of these two SUVs would you feel safest in? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if there's a crash test comparison you'd like to see next, drop us a suggestion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never ever miss out on our latest videos.